Everywhere I went when I was a kid, I always had a ball, and round by my area, that's what I was known for. People that say they would never see me without a football at my feet. You know, growing up as a young lad, I always dreamt about seeing me goals on TV and, you know, going to Rill, looking back on me goals. And I remember in Liverpool, we could still get S4C on when my mum and my nan would be there recording the goals, and we'd all watch them back. But for me then, you know, playing football on TV, that was a massive step for me. I always wanted to be a professional footballer. I wasn't dedicated enough when I was younger, because it's not about the skills and tricks or goals that you score. You know, it's about your attitude, and that was what had to change with me. And I knew as soon as that changed, you know, I would turn professional, and that's where I got my chance at Wrexham. The first time I played at the Vetch, I remember we played in an FAW Cup final. I scored the winning goal for Wrexham, which was a header.
Decent cross, it was
very hostile, you know, the Swans fans were in full voice, you know. For me, that was the type of environment I like playing football in, whether they're against you or singing for you, you know. It was a stadium that excited you to play in. For me, Brian Flynn has been the biggest influence in my football career, and I owe a lot to him. He was the man that bought me for Wrexham from Rill. And he was the man that brought me down here. You know, if it wasn't for Brian Flynn being the manager of Swansea, I don't think I ever would have signed, because it was 4 hours away from my home. I'm club ambassador at the club now, and, you know, it's a perfect role for me. It's a mixture of a lot of things. These fans and this city took me in straight away and made me feel at home, and, you know, I owe a lot to the football club and to the people, and for me to be in the position that I'm in now and to go out there and give something back to everyone makes me proud. I think as a footballer, you've got to go out and put a smile on people's faces, and that's what I wanted to do. I never worried about making a mistake. I never worried about having a shot and it going over the crossbar or going over the stand. You know, I knew that as soon as I got the ball again, I was going to try and do exactly the same. And I think that's the way you score goals. That's the way you create chances, by being brave and not worrying about making mistakes, you know. People still ask about, you know, why am I still playing? I still get the same buzz. I got the phone call off the Llanelli manager, Andy Hill. I was, 39 at the time. And, you know, he said to me, well, do you know, 39 at your age, do you think you could still hold the shirt down? And I said to him in my own confident way, I said, I'll be the best player in the league. He started laughing and said, you know, okay. Some people play football for a job, and other people play football because they love it. And I'm one of them people that loves football, and even when I come to, you know, 50, 55, there's teams in Swansea that are over 45s, over 50, over 55s. If I can go to 60, 70, you know, I'll still be there. As long as my body says I can play football, I'll keep on going. And then when it finishes that I can't run, you know, you've got the walk on football that's out there as well, so I think I'll go and join a team with that.